video, we're going to walk through how to recycle and return a Solmetex Amalgam bucket. But first, why do we recycle amalgam? Amalgam, the silver material that is sometimes used for dental fillings, is made up of 50% mercury. Exposure to mercury, when used incorrectly, can lead to serious health problems, which is why the EPA created the dental rule, requiring dental offices to collect and recycle amalgam waste in amalgam separators or amalgam buckets. Historically, dental offices are the #1 source of mercury in U.S. wastewater. It only takes 1/25th of a teaspoon of mercury to contaminate a 60-acre lake. Even if your office doesn't place amalgam, you need to dispose of it correctly. You never know if a patient is going to walk in with a pre-existing amalgam filling, and if you're performing any kind of procedure on them, your practice needs proper protection. The Solmetex Practice Waste Solutions Amalgam Bucket is designed to make this process easy, safe, and compliant. The bucket works in tandem with your amalgam separator. The difference is that amalgam buckets are for dry amalgam waste only. That includes chairside traps, vacuum pump filters, contact and non-contact amalgam, spent capsules, and teeth with amalgam fillings. Just remember, no liquids, no loose mercury, and no other metals. If you're putting in a vacuum pump filter, be sure it's drained of all liquid before it goes into the bucket or it has a tight-fitting lid. Here's how the bucket recycling process works. Before you begin, ensure that you have a replacement bucket to take the place of the one you're shipping, and save the box that it came in so you can ship it later. Line your new bucket with the plastic bag provided before filling it with amalgam waste. Step 1 is to seal and pack the original bucket. Seal the supplied Ziploc bag, attach the lid to the container securely, and place the bucket into the return shipping box. Step 2 is to complete Part 1 of the profile form for recycling of waste amalgam. Sign and date the bottom of the form and place it into the shipping box along with the bucket. Step 3 is to find your shipping code. On the lid of your bucket, you'll see a shipping code. Keep this handy because you'll need it to generate your UPS label. Step 4 is to generate your shipping label online. Go to Solmetex.com and click on Print a Recycling and Shipping Label in the top right corner. Log in with your email and password. If this is your first time, you'll need to set up an account using your Solmetex account number, which can be found on your packing slip, and your zip code. Once you're logged in, click on Print Recycling Label in the top left corner. From the product drop-down, select Amalgam Bucket, enter the shipping code from the lid, and hit Submit. The system will generate a UPS label for you. Please note, if your product was shipped directly from your dealer, you may not have a Solmetex packing slip. In this event, please contact Solmetex customer service at solmetex.com or 1-800-216-5505. The final step is to ship your bucket. Print your label, place it into the packing slip envelope, and stick it onto your shipping box. You can either hand it to your regular UPS driver or call UPS at 1-800-742-5877 to schedule a pickup. Please note that you may only ship one Solmetex box per UPS label. And that's it! You've safely recycled your amalgam waste, protected your patients and community, and stayed compliant with EPA regulations. Recycling certificates can take up to 30 days to process, and your recycling certificate will automatically populate in My Solutions Center after processing. Thank you for doing your part to keep our waterways mercury-free.